Today, I want to share something I'm genuinely excited about, a product created to support women in feeling balanced, confident, and more like themselves every day. InnerCHI for Her Harmonizing Cream. Years ago, my father and I developed a women's wellness product called Enroll, and the response was incredible and in many cases life-changing. Since then, we've continued researching plant-based wellness ingredients and advancing the science behind hormone-supportive formulation. That evolution led us here. You know those days when everything just seems in sync? Your energy feels steady, your mood feels lighter, your skin looks healthy and refreshed. You simply feel more like yourself. That's the idea behind InnerCHI for Her Harmonizing Cream. This daily cream was designed to support healthy hormonal balance in a way that feels natural, approachable, and easy to incorporate into life. And what I love most about it is it takes a holistic approach, because hormones influence far more than just one aspect of wellness. The formula features wild yam, along with plant-based phytoestrogens, ingredients traditionally used to help support hormonal harmony and work alongside the body's natural rhythms during different stages of life. We've also included Vitis agnus castus, commonly called chasteberry, a botanical that has been studied for its role in supporting compounds connected to mood, skin vitality, and overall well-being. And because skin is often one of the very first places stress and imbalance show up, the formula also includes helichrysum, known for supporting skin hydration, elasticity, and the skin barrier against everyday environmental stressors. So InnerCHI for Her Harmonizing Cream supports outward beauty, but the primary purpose of this product is helping women feel supported from the inside out. The usage experience itself is important too. With calming essential oils like lavender, chamomile, geranium, and ylang-ylang, applying the cream becomes more than just another step in a routine. It feels grounding, relaxing, almost like a small reset moment in the middle of a very busy day. It's not a complicated system. It's not an extreme wellness trend. It's a thoughtful daily ritual designed to support balance and self-care. The texture is lightweight, easy to apply, and designed to absorb beautifully into soft areas of the skin. Every detail of the formula was intentionally chosen. No added dyes, no artificial fragrances, even the soft natural color comes from botanical ingredients. Whether you're navigating a busy schedule, monthly hormonal shifts, or simply wanting to feel your very best day to day, InnerCHI for Her Harmonizing Cream is designed to support you along the way, because balance isn't about perfection. It's about feeling comfortable in your body, confident in your skin, and connected to yourself. InnerCHI for Her Harmonizing Cream, support that works in harmony with your natural rhythm.